What's going on, friends? I've got here a 2012 Nissan Altima, and I'm going to use this car to show you how to access all of the rear bulbs, and I'll show you part numbers as well. So real simple, we're going to get inside this trunk of the Altima. The first thing to remove is this plastic clip. I like to grab the outer part with needle nose pliers, and you just yank it straight back. So you pull this out, you discard that, set that aside. Then you grab this as well, and then you yank it straight back. Sometimes if you try to pry on it with a screwdriver, you'll end up breaking it. But anyways, we have the clip removed, and now this felt trunk covering can be folded aside, no problem. And there's two electrical connectors that we've got to just pop off of the studs. And these two studs have 8mm nuts. So we unscrew the two 8mm nuts that hold the taillight housing. So now the taillight housing is more free. You can see it'll move a little bit. Now when you pop this out, it does not go straight back. It does not go straight up. It kind of goes upwards and outwards like so. And the reason for that is there are two other plastic pieces here that stick down into the body. So it helps to have a plastic non-marring tool, but you basically work your way around and it should pop up like so. So we'll gently fold this over. You can see here are the two studs that the nuts are threaded into. And then here are the plastic pieces. They stick into the body of the car. Anyways, we've got access to all the bulbs. The backup bulb is part number 921. You just pop that out like so. And you know, I like to check the pins of the bulbs when I replace them, the pins of the connectors. All of these are removed by rotating them counterclockwise. So this one here, this is the brake light / tail light. Rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out. And we can see here, it's a 3157. Don't let anyone sell you the 3157 in A. That's an amber bulb. This needs a white bulb. So 3157 for the brake light, the stop light, the parking light. Now we've got a turn signal bulb. That's a 3156. And finally, we've got this little micro baby bulb. This is a side marker bulb. Bulb 168. You can see this one looks like it's burnt out. But anyways, that's how you access the bulbs and replace them. Let's show you how to reinstall this assembly. So do it gently. You don't want to scratch anything up, but basically you've got to line up all of these little plastic things. And I know you guys will do a better job than me because I'm doing this one-handed. But anyways, pops in like so. Check your lines, make sure that it's flush. Go in here, reinstall your two 8mm nuts. Pop this back on, and then line this hole up, and you're good to go. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful. Please let me know down below if you have any questions or any advice about the rear bulbs on your Altima.